Move your body without the goal of fixing it, just because it feels good. And no, this doesn't have to look like a rom-com slow-mo sensual montage. It can look like eating whipped cream with your fingers while dancing in your underwear to Lizzo. Number 4, repeat without pressure. Nervous system rewiring is not a one and done. It's more like dating your body again. Awkward at first, surprising in the middle, and with the right playlist, eventually hot as hell. You're not trying to achieve presence. You're trying to build trust. All right, babe, now that we've dragged shame through the mud and politely told your trauma brain it deserves a fucking break, let's talk about how we actually rebuild pleasure pathways. Because remember what I said earlier? Your brain isn't a concrete slab, it's a goddamn sponge. A sexy, adaptable, opinionated sponge. And neuroplasticity is your built-in magic trick. It's your brain's ability to change and create new neural pathways in response to new experiences, which means the same nervous system that flinched at pleasure can learn to lean into it, can learn to crave it, can learn that desire is safe.